In this video, I show you how to fix eFootball 2027. Download completed 100% stuck problem. For fixing this problem, minimize this game. Then go to your phone settings. Then go to apps. Then find out eFootball, then tap on it. Then tap on Force Stop, then OK. Then tap on Storage and Cache. Clear cache. Now open eFootball app again. Now enter your location. Next, confirm. Terp RT. Now I hope that this method fixed. Download completed 100% stuck problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.